Hi everyone, I'm Flor. I'm here with bareMinerals and we're gonna create a quick and easy makeup tutorial for Halloween that you can totally do at home. So I pulled out this look from my closet and we're gonna do a mod 60s makeup look. So we're gonna start with the Gen Nude Neutral Palette and I'm gonna be using the blender brush and Mystic shade over here. Go all over the lid like this. So now we're gonna go with the shade Believer, which is like a pink with a gold touch, and we're gonna be using the Expert Shadow and Liner brush. And we're gonna put this in the center of the lid, like this. So next we're gonna use the Indie shade, which is like a dark brown over here. And this time we're gonna be using the Smoky Smudger brush. So we're doing this above the crease, so you can like see that even when you have your eyes open. So now we're gonna be using this liquid liner, which is Lash Domination, and we're gonna do like a quick, really like small fine line over the eye. Next, we're gonna be using the one fine line just to complete the line over here and fill it in. This is a pencil liner and a bit over here. And now we're gonna move to maybe like the most important thing of this makeup, which is gonna make it very 60s, very mod, which is we're gonna create like a little like dots or little like stroke lines down the lower lash, and we're gonna use the same liner, the one fine line. There's like no wrong shape. If you do more of a dot, that's fine. If you do more of a line, that's fine. There's like no way you can mess this up. So now we're gonna be doing lashes, and we're gonna be using Lashtopia, which is really great, gives you great lashes, trust me. Right from the bottom, and then fill your way up. We just wanna do like a really tiny coat. We don't want to cover the dots we just did. Just like barely like touching your lashes. So now for blush, we're gonna go with the Bounce and Blur, and the shade is Mauve Sunrise. So you can just like dab your finger in like that. This has like a creamy, powdery texture, and I was like so good. Feels like so good on your skin, feels so good on your fingers. So, and a bit of shine as well. Love it. There we go. So to finish up my blush, we're gonna be using the Blooming Blush brush just to like even it out. So for the lips, we're gonna be using the Gen Nude, and this is a matte liquid lipstick, and the shade is Slay. You can always like start on the middle and then go on to the outside. So to finish up this look, we're gonna be using some really bright color accessories like this bangle over here, and we're also gonna add some earrings. They go perfect with the whole look and they give like the finishing touch. There we go, we're all set. So I hope you like this look. You can totally like recreate it this Halloween, and thanks for watching. See you next time.